Here's FLAMIFY app, FLAMIFY AI. So let's just install it. So just double click to install. This is one of those AI chatting apps ready to make your wishes come true, discover new connections, send a voice message, make it personal, your personalized romantic connection. Welcome to FLAMIFY AI, the mobile dating app designed for adults seeking engaging and imaginative romantic experiences. With FLAMIFY, you can explore the world of romance through interactive role-play communication with AI characters. Role-play communication with AI characters, engaging romantic communication, AI self-interactive AI photos. And so this is the app. You can just go and open it up, and then you can send notifications, and then you can just allow to track. You can instantly create an account. And then you can just create your account. Then your interest, and then this is the app where you can just try to chat, kind of like AI Tinder, and then it's instantly a match, and then you can just chat with it just like that. And then you need to buy flames. Then you can also send a gift. And so that's basically the app. And then this is your account. So, and then if you don't like, you can delete your account. If you want to upgrade and get like super likes, premium models, unlimited photo viewing, unlimited audio, all filters, then you can get it for $40 just for 1 year, 1 month just for $20. So it's quite a cheap app compared to these other apps. So yeah, that's the idea.